Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of my favorite hair combos and rest and press for human theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. Okay, I'm going to go to the hairstyle selection, and for the first hair we can choose okay, for the first hair you can choose this one, and then you can color it as you like. For me, I'm just going to make it this color, and then I'm going to combine it with this hair. Okay, and then we're going to remove the bangs, make it no bangs, and then you're going to color it the same. Alright, and then I'm going to go to the updo category, and I'm going to put on this hair, and we can color it with the same color. Okay, and let's move to the locks category and choose this here, and then you're going to color it the same. For the first section, I'm going to make it this color, and for the beds, I'm going to make it this color, and for the beds 2, make it the same color, and then for the last one, make it this color. And sorry, for the last selection, I'm going to make it this color. And this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!